Hello everybody. Today we are going to go over how to do a slip knot. Slip knots are the basis of how we crochet and how we start. So we're going to need one of our crocheting hooks as well as some yarn. We are going to have the tail of our yarn, which is going to be the end that is not connected to the bulk of our yarn. And we're just going to lay it down on the table. We're going to take the tail of the yarn and just make a loop. When we have our loop, we are going to take our tail and just put it under, almost like a little pretzel. You can go ahead and make this a little bigger so you guys can see. Our next step is we are just going to take our hook. We're going to make sure that it is facing the correct way so that we are able to grab our yarn. We are going to go under and grab this most outer right in the middle yarn, and we are just going to place 2 fingers over the tail and the other side that is not in our loop and just pull straight. Now you can see we have our slip knot. To loosen it, all we need to do is pull our tail end just up, and to tighten it, same thing, pull the other side.